Hello students, today's subject GK. So now let us start with the first chapter, Animal and Plants. First we'll be discussing about animals. Animals. I personally like to read and speak on this topic because I love animals. We hardly realize that there are so many wonderful creatures around us. There are birds in the sky, greenery, flowers around us, and also cute looking four legged creatures on the earth. Let's discuss about them. Always remember, to know more about them, we not only need to read or discuss about them, but it's also important that you love and take care of them. Firstly, let's see how they can be categorized. They are categorized into habitat. Habitat means the place where they live. Now see types of animals: land animals, water animals, and sky animals. Again, the land is divided into two. On the land, pet animals are there and wild animals are there. And water, there is fresh water and salty water. According to this, the type of animals are divided under water. And sky. In the sky, it is again divided into birds and insects. After seeing the types of animals, there are size of animals too. From very big to very small. Let us see. Some animals are very big like elephants and giraffes. Some animals are big in size like buffalo or tiger. Some are small in size such as frogs, cats, etc. Some are smaller in size like wasps, cockroaches, ants, etc. Hello students, today's subject GK. So now let us start with the first chapter, Animal and Plants. First we'll be discussing about animals. Now let us talk about plants also. Students, just like you and me, plants also grow in different places and live for different periods of time. Now, any idea what is this? These are trees. The big and strong plants are called trees. They grow tall and have a thick woody stem called as trunk. They live for many years. Shrubs. Some plants are small but strong. Such plants are called shrubs. They have woody stems. Herbs. Some plants are small and also weak. Such plants are called herbs. They have soft stem and roots. Some plants have weak stem. They can't grow straight on their own. They need support of walls, sticks or other plants to grow. Such plants are called climbers. Like us, plants also breathe. They need air for that. And you have to water them to stay them live. And if you don't water them, they will die. But some plants will not die even if you don't water them. Now students, I hope you enjoyed knowing about plants and animals. More will come to know in the next class. As you know, general knowledge. Now, this is not only just filling one page exercise and completing the chapter. No, we will learn more and more about us. So, right now, we are just going to solve few basic questions on plants and animals, and later we'll do the exercise part. So, here goes your assignment. Choose the correct answers for the following questions. First, which of the following plant is a herb? Options are mango, mint, hibiscus, coconut. Now you have to choose the correct answer for this. Question 2. Fruits develop from. Options are leaves, flowers, seeds, stem. Choose the correct answer for this. Question 3. Which of the following animals has a pouch to carry their young ones? Options are gorilla, hare, kangaroo, deer. Question 4. These animals are kept by people for their fur, feathers, milk or meat, or perhaps for transportation. They are. Options are domestic or farm animals, pet animals, wild animals, none of these. Question 5th. Omnivorous animals are those which eat. Options are only animals, only plants, both plants and animals, neither plants nor animals.